How to switch location in Pokémon Go. If you're looking to change your location in Pokémon Go, there are reliable tools available for both Android and iOS. Using MagFone Location Changer. To begin with MagFone, start the software on your computer and click the Start button. The next step is to connect your phone, which can be done via a USB cable or over Wi-Fi. Simply follow the clear on-screen instructions, which will guide you through enabling developer mode on your Android device. This is a one-time setup process. Once connected, switch the tool to Game Mode and specifically select the Pokémon Go icon. This crucial step ensures that GPS modifications are applied directly to the game for stable and reliable performance. MagFone offers multiple movement modes, allowing you to choose according to your needs, whether you're completing tasks, hatching eggs, or participating in battles. Using iSpoofer. On the other hand, iSpoofer was once a widely used GPS spoofing tool designed for iOS. To use it, first uninstall the official Pokémon Go app from your device. Then, visit the iSpoofer website and tap Download, followed by Install, to begin the installation. After downloading, avoid clicking any ads on the web page and return to your home screen. If the download doesn't start, you may try again. Once installed, you might see an Untrusted Enterprise Developer warning when opening Pokémon Go. To resolve this, go to Settings, General VPN and Device Management. Select the relevant Enterprise app, and tap Trust twice to confirm. After completing these steps, you can launch iSpoofer and use it seamlessly with Pokémon Go.